Diane Wallace EVs here. I wanted to make a correction to my video about two things they don't tell you before you buy an EV. And the first one's basically the same. You have to charge or refuel an EV twice as much as a gas car or an internal combustion car. And if you're towing a camper, you have to refuel 4 times as much as a diesel ice truck. And maybe not a gas, like a gas pickup truck, you might only refuel twice as much with the EV, or charge twice as much with the EV. Also, when I said maintenance, I meant repairs. So EVs still have a lot of repairs because they're mechanical and they're electrical, and those things, if you know about physics, those things break down, they go towards entropy, and you're gonna have repairs no matter what. Now maintenance, not so much. You'll just have to rotate your tires and change your air filter, and that's all I can think of right now for maintenance. So for maintenance, you're not gonna have as much. So, but again, the electric car drives better, a lot faster, a lot better acceleration. And your commute, like for me, I spend about $3.50 in electricity a week for a 40-mile commute, almost a 40-mile commute. So you decide. Physics wins. Diane Wallace EVs. Thanks for watching.